Welcome to another installment of the PineScript 101 series. Trading stops are typically used to ride momentum in markets, allowing a trade to stay open and continuing to profit as the price is moving in the trade direction. It is a common exit method in many strategies out there. In the previous segments, we learned how to trail stop by bar high low, adding some bar conditions and the volatility factor. In this segment, we learn how to trail stop by moving average using PineScript. Let's now move over to TradingView and dive in. So we're going to continue on the script we've been working on for trading stops. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I invite you to check them out for more context. Today, we'll trail stop using a moving average, instead of highest lows for long trades and lowest highs for short trades. First, let's add some more inputs to our script, like so. So an input named trail method, so that we can choose between trailing by bar high low or by moving average. And an input called MLNs to set the number of bars to look back for the moving average. Let's save and check our script settings. So the optional input looks good, and our MLNs that we can choose to be 9 or 14 or whatever. Looks good. We'll now use a moving average in our code. So let's change our functions to set our stops. So for long stop, we still want to return stop. So let's add condition after its declaration. So if the trail method is equal to bar HL, the option for bar high-low, so we indent, we keep things unchanged. Else if our trail method is equal to MA, the name of the option for moving average, in that case, we want the stop to be equal to TA, and we're going to use the simple moving average, so SMA, with the source of close and the MLNth input. And then for short stop, it will be exactly the same. So let's do it again. So if trail method equal bar H L, we indent, and then else if trail method equal MA, again, the stop will be equal to TA.SMA, close, MLNs. Since our stop for short and long will be the same, in our plotting, it would be interesting to use the same color for long stop and short stop. So we can have a little logic like this to set the color to be the same for long and short when long stop and short stop are equal. So there we just need to modify long stop. Instead of being color blue, we're going to use a variable long color. And for short stop, short color. And since we have the same color fuchsia as a variable, let's use it for our trailing stop. Trail color. And that should be it. Let's save and check that it works. Let's go to our settings and change the trail by to the moving average. So we select the option MA. We can keep the same length, 14. Let's click OK. So we have indeed the plotting of our moving average. We're entering the trade. We've got our trail stop that is following the moving average up until we reach the trading stop. Awesome, that works. We've been using the simple moving average. It would be interesting to add some functionality so that we can select a different type of moving average. For example, the exponential moving average. So let's add an input called MA type that will allow us to choose between simple or exponential. Then we can change our set stop functions where we have trail method equal to MA. If MA type is equal to simple, we stay unchanged. So let's make sure we indent. Else if, in that case, we have MA type equal exponential, like so. And in that case, our stop will be equal to TA.EMA, the plugin function for exponential moving average with a source of close, and MLF. And for our short stop, it will be exactly the same. So let's copy and paste it here. Let's save and make sure that it works. Currently, we are following the simple moving average. So let's move it a little bit on the side and play with the settings. So simple moving average, let's change it to exponential. And as you can see, now we are following the exponential moving average. Changing back and forth. Looks good. We did it. To finish up our trailing stop system, let's add one last functionality. Right now, our script exits trades as soon as the trailing stop is reached. However, sometimes we may want to wait for bar close and then exit only if we're still breaching our trailing stop. So first, let's add an input, exit mode, so that we can choose between a close or a limit exit mode. And then, in the code where we exit trades, if exit mode is equal to limit, we exit the same way. Else if exit mode equal to close, in that case, if we are long, so strategy dot position size is more than 0, and the bar state is the last update, so is confirmed, and the close is less than the trading stop, we close the trade. So strategy dot close with the ID of long. And for short, it is almost the same. So let's copy paste like so. With, in that case, we would close short, and the strategy position will be less than 0, and the close must be above the trailing stop. And that should be it. Let's save and check. So here, for instance, we are exiting because of a breach of the trailing stop. If we were in the close mode, we should be exiting on that candle that is closing below our moving average, for example. So we should be exiting right here. So now let's play with the settings and change our exit mode. Close. And as you can see, we are no longer exiting on the breach. However, we do exit on the bar that's closing below our trailing stop, right here. So it works. We did it. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed learning how to code a feature-rich trading stop system using PineScript. Remember, trading is a journey, and mastering PineScript is just one step along the way. If you have any question or suggestions for future topics, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.